In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Binance app on your iPhone in 2025, including what to do if the app is unavailable in your region. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, let's look at how you can download the Binance app if it's readily available in your country. Now, you'll need your iPhone and ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a good cellular signal. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up the App Store on your iPhone. You'll find the familiar icon right there on your home screen, a blue circle with a white A. Once you're in the App Store, direct your attention to the search bar and type in Binance, buy Bitcoin and crypto. You need to be careful here to ensure you're selecting the right app, as there could be other similar sounding apps. Specifically, look for the one by Binance Switzerland AG. This usually gets top billing in the search results, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. After you've verified it's the correct app, go ahead and tap the Get button, or you might see a cloud icon with a downward arrow if you've downloaded it in the past. The Binance app is completely free to download, but do check that your iPhone's iOS is updated to at least iOS 15.0, which is the requirement for the app to function smoothly. If you're overdue for an update, it might be a good idea to handle that first to avoid any hiccups down the road. Once you've initiated the download, the app will quickly appear on your device. When it's ready, go ahead and tap Open to launch the app. You're greeted with a polished user interface, perfect for managing your cryptocurrency dealings. Now, to get into the action with Binance, you'll need to sign in if you already have an account. Follow all on-screen prompts to enter your credentials securely. If you're new to Binance, no worries. The app will walk you through creating an account. Just hit the Create Account button, and you'll find it's a straightforward process with easy-to-follow instructions. It's very important to remember to keep your account details secure, especially when dealing with finance-related applications. Be cautious of phishing attempts and always ensure that your security settings are optimized. So, there you have it. You now know how to download and set up the Binance app on your iPhone when it's available in your region. It's a pretty simple process, but each step is essential to ensuring everything runs smoothly. After setting it up, you can start exploring the world of cryptocurrencies directly from your phone, making trades, buying, or even just keeping an eye on market trends. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and as always, happy trading.